Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how I did my eyebrows, so stay tuned and enjoy the video.
I'm living in shadow, don't you know?
So I'm gonna grab my eye pencil. I'm using Davis in the shade of 003, and then I'm gonna do short gentle strokes on the lower part of my eyebrow just to outline it. Make sure you follow the natural shape of your eyebrows because you don't want to look like a scarecrow. So I will do the same on the upper part of my eyebrows, doing the short gentle strokes following the natural shape of my eyebrows. So I'm gonna grab my spoolie and brush my hair upwards, and then I'm gonna take my eye pencil to fill in my eyebrows by doing small strokes following the natural growth of my eyebrows.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for.
So right here I'm grabbing a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone just to clean my eyebrows. I'm using an angled brush just to blend out the concealer that I applied on the lower part of my eyebrows just to make it more defined.
Yes, I did.
Well, the upper part is kinda optional, but I love my eyebrows more defined. So I'm gonna grab my concealer and put a little bit at the beginning of my eyebrows, and then take my spoolie and just brush the concealer to blend it in to give it a natural look.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I?
Alright guys, that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't.